So welcome guys. Today what we are going to do is we are going to update the previous bottom navigation animation, and today we are going to use Lottie files so to make the animation a little better. Let's take a look. So this is our new bottom navigation bar animation. You can see the animation are smooth, and for this animation I am using the Lottie file here. So this will be a continuation from yesterday's video, or maybe previous video. If you haven't watched it, I suggest you to watch it. So this will be the continuation of the previous video. So let's get it started with the video. So yesterday we were able to do up to this. So we had used the inbuilt animated icons on the yesterday's video. So on today's video we are going to update the animated icon with the Lottie files. So for that we first need to go to the Lottie files page and download a few icons to use over here. So let's go to the browser here, and let's head over to the lottifiles.com. So here we are going to search for a few icons that we are going to use. So one will be the bookmark icon. You can search for any icons you want to use or any icons you find useful over here. So the Lottie files has a lot of animations pre-built and available for free. You can use any of the animations here, or you can also create your own from the uh, Adobe After Effects. After creating from the Adobe After Effects, you can um, export your file as a Lottie file. So you can even use your own custom animation. Today I am going to use this animation over here. One of the animation will be this bookmark animation from Andrew Eugene, and here we can change our color to anything. For that I am going to make it black, and I'm going to download from the link over here. So this is one of the icon, and this is the another icon I have decided to use. This is a credit animation, and you can download it from over here. And the another icon I'm going to use is this credit card icon, credit card animation from Su Kang. So I will download all three animations and I will move it to the assets folder. So let's close this. Let's head over to the download folder over here, and I have downloaded all three files. All the files will be on JSON format. So let's move them to the asset folder first. So let's create a new folder over here. The folder name will be assets/Lottie. You can use any folder name over here. So I'm going to name it assets/Lottie, and I'm going to copy the files over here. So we have three different JSON files, different animations. So now what we need to do is import Lottie files over our pubspec.yaml. So for that, let's head over to the Flutter pub page. So from the Flutter pub page over here, you need to copy this Lottie version here. So let's copy it and paste it on our pubspec file, and let us import our assets over here. So let's uncomment this. let's point it out to the folder. So let's save it and run flutter pub get. Our flutter pub get has been run. So now let's head over to the bottom navigation page over here, and we need to make few changes here. So the first change is we need to change this animated icon to Lottie. uh, so the way we need to change this is uh, we need to import the Lottie over here. After you write Lottie, it will be auto imported, and the way we are going to use Lottie is from the assets. So there is a method called asset, and we can use the Lottie file from the assets. So the first argument it takes is the asset file path here. So we need to give it a path. So the asset path will be, so for the first we will be using this bookmark. So let's copy the relative path and paste it over here. And for the animation controller, we have the function called controller over here. We just need to change this to a controller. So all other remaining will be same. So let's do that on other icons too. Okay, let's save it and let's reload the file here. Okay, you can see our icons has been loaded, but they are taking too much of space. So we need to wrap them into height and width. So the Lottie file is like image files. We can have width height predefined. So let's define the height first. Let's give the height to be 56, and let's copy this to other files as well. Now let's save it. You can see our Lottie file is already working over here. So animation has been already working. So what we need to do now is change the background color. And we can change the item color, selected item color and unselected item color. So I'm going to make the unselected item color of gray with a value of 600, and the selected item color will be white. So you can see this looks a little better. So you can remove this icon size over here. So this much will cover all the tutorial part for Lottie. So for extra tweaks, you can change the height to even smaller, maybe 40, and see if you think the height is too much, you can change the height from here over to. So I think this looks perfect, and you can see the icons looking pretty much good. So the things that you can change over here is for with the Lottie file, you can also load the files from the network. So this has different methods called asset, file, memory, and network. So from the network you can pass the JSON URL, and from the memory, I don't know, you can pass different things. So you can directly give a link to the file and from the asset that we are currently using. So these are the different method you can use Lottie with. So if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe our channel here, and don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to suggest me some videos in the future, don't forget to leave them on the comment. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.